Matter can be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. A rock and a table are solids. A solid has a shape. A solid keeps its shape. A solid has a size. A solid keeps its size. A rock and a table have a size and a shape. Water, milk, and juice are liquids. A liquid flows. Flow means to move. You can pour a liquid. It changes shape. It takes the shape of whatever it fills. Water takes the shape of the glass it fills. Water is a liquid. Air is a gas. Gas fills up balloons, tires, and bubbles. Gas flows. Gas does not have a shape. Gas gets bigger to fill space. Gas fills up a balloon. Air is a gas. Air fills the space around us. Matter can be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Matter can be in different forms. Frozen water is a solid. Water at room temperature is a liquid. Heat water and it becomes a gas. Water is in a different state when it is a solid, liquid, or gas. What kind of form it takes is called the state of matter. State means the form something is in. What kind of form matter takes is called state of matter. A solid keeps its shape. A liquid flows. Gas gets bigger to fill space. What kind of form matter takes is called state of matter.
Solid. 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 Liquid. 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 Gas. 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 State of matter. State of matter. State of matter.